Monday, April 27th. Okay. So on Wednesday last, I gave you a work ahead for the main causes of WW1 organizer and image analysis. And I believe that I went into explanation with those. And it basically were focused on this particular pick to summarize. Thanks to Ms. Campbell here. You've got the four major underlying causes that you were doing some image analysis with. And then what we're going to get into today in terms of what's new is the spark. The assassination of the Archduke Franz Ferdinand. These was the Archduke, the heir to the throne. Remember, Franz Joseph was the king or emperor of that dual monarchy of Austria-Hungary, and Franz Ferdinand was the heir to the throne. He was being assassinated by some Serbian long underlying problem there. It just sparked it. Okay, so that's what we're looking at. You're looking at some images that are here that you're going to identify and with each of the main causes: militarism, alliances, imperialism, nationalism. And you're writing an explanation for these as well as an understanding of the Triple Entente. And then there's a briefing that you do with the causes, and actually the reading is, if it comes up, the reading, you don't even need to do all these. I give you just need to read the part about the web of alliances. The web of alliances right there. Excuse me, something weird there in my home. The web of alliances in page number 3, and look at, and then you're going to look at excuse me, and then you're going to look at the second slide on this and figure and complete that. So that I explained last week, and this you're going to look at this week, starting now. Part 2 of this is there is a pair deck. It has some videos. The videos are able to be stopped and started. I explained that at the beginning. I'm not going to show that on here. You'll see it'll become apparent to you. I explained that at the beginning of the videos. You're going to need to watch the videos. You can open them up in another YouTube. I'm going to tell you something. Please pay attention to going all the way to the end of the pair deck. There are questions all the way to the end. I just want them answered to the best of your ability. I'm not necessarily scoring them on how well you do. I mean, don't be sloppy. Getting everyone wrong isn't probably going to get you credit either, but missing a few here and there is not a big deal. But a lot of you to the end of that pair deck. I am looking and grading for completion on the completion of all the questions in the pair deck. Got it? I'm grading on completion of all the questions in the pair deck. So answer complete all the questions. That's for Wednesday, 4/29. The Armenian Genocide docs, part 1 and part 2 are now overdue. Part 2 was due on Sunday night. Remember, there was some primary sources. You were answering. Go back to last week's videos and the agendas if you need explanation on that, especially Wednesday and Monday of last week in the classroom up here. I have explanations for what to do with those. There's actually explanations right in the videos to watch them if you're not certain what to do with part 2, looking at a total of 6 analysis pieces from the perspective of eyewitnesses, perpetrator, or victim, and then the 60 minutes retrospective questions on Edpuzzle. Okay, sorry about the little delay there in the middle. And then back to Friday, COVID-19 capsules. Again, these were ongoing optional. You can place one online assignment. I did a lot of extensive discussion on that on Friday's videos. Online grading and learning surveys. I still would like some acknowledgement of what's going on with the pass-fails and explanation. If you have questions, I've answered a couple of them. Happy to answer them. The online grading and learning surveys, so you have an acknowledgement for what's going on as far as doing 80% of the online work. Online work at 80%, and then in order to get to either get your or improve upon your 311 grade. Otherwise, if you do not do that, then you have to take the pass. For all of you, it would be the pass. But again, to improve upon or to hit your letter GPA letter grade, you need to do the assignments at 80%. I think you know that. I think that's been explained in enough classes. I just wanted a quick understanding. So please take those. They're in a, they're up along with the online learning with all the daily agendas and videos up there that we have. And then I've got World War I and Russian Revolution. I've got a special spot for the time capsule and so on to work through that. So I think that's enough for this time around. We'll see you again on Wednesday. All right.